Here we are back to the workshop of SweetTech. Now here's you can see this giant stuff is moving. Just by looking at it, maybe you don't know what's the function of it. Actually, it is a packing system, which is designed for the packing of small cups, small yogurt cups. The function of this machine is to stack the cups and have it packed in a plastic bag. For food packing, biometric pollution is a headache to many producers. So to have everything done completely automatic would help to reduce the possibility of biotic pollution, such as the health of human beings and the fingerprint, etc. This machine, you can have it connected to IML System and the video camera system to be which will deliver the cups from this entrance to be connected here, and stacked here, and then as a load to stack the well and to pack it here, which will make it a bag of well-packed cups ready for the loading of yogurt and or ice cream. That's the function of this system.